Hello guys, welcome to MuleSoft Tech channel. Now we are going to see how to connect Salesforce Einstein AI to MuleSoft. This Einstein AI allows us to connect with the Salesforce Einstein services through our Mule applications. These are the operations provided by the Einstein AI. The operations are chart operations, prompt templates, embedding, drag, tools, and authorize and unauthorized. We're coming to prompt templates means we can give the instructions to how our prompt should be like that is going to perform this prompt templates. We're coming to embedded generation means we know that the LLMs can understand the prompts in binary format, so it will convert the text into binary format, so it can easy to understand and it can do fast. We're coming to drag load document means we provide the documents and it will extract the prompts from the document. We're coming to tools use AI services means we have the some URLs like some APIs, so it will get the data from those APIs. Now we are going to see how to connect our Einstein AI connector through the MuleSoft. In the studio, we can get the Einstein AI from the exchange. Now we can see how to configure this Einstein AI. You go to global elements, create, select Einstein AI configuration. To configure Einstein AI configuration, we need to provide the client ID, client secret, token URL, scopes that provided by the Salesforce. Now we are going to see how to create the connected app to get the client ID secrets. This is my Salesforce org. Now I'm going to enable the Einstein AI in Salesforce. Search for the Einstein. Here we can see the Einstein setup. Go to the Einstein setup and we need to turn on this Einstein setup. Here I am previously turned on this one. Now we are going to create the connected app. Search for the external client app manager. Click on new external client app. Give the connected app name like demo Einstein. Provide the email address. Scroll down. Click on the enable OAuth. Now enter the any callback URL like https login dot salesforce.com. Now we need to enable the scopes. Manage user data via APIs. Perform request at any time. Access Salesforce API. Access the chatbot services. These are the 4 scopes we need to add. Now scroll down. Now in flow enablement section, click on the enable client credentials flow. Click OK. We are coming to security section. Click on the required security refresh token flow. It is already enabled. Disable the web services flow. Disable the PKC and click on the issue JSON web token. That's it. Click on create. So the external client app is created successfully. Now go to policies tab. Scroll down. Here select all users can self-authorize. Scroll down. Here enable the client credentials flow and we need to enter our username. Scroll down. I'm going to tell where we can get this username. In Pipeline, take this duplicate tab. In QuickFind, search for the users. Click on users. Here we can see the system administrator profile. Here this is my system administrator profile. So this is the username. Copy this one. Go to the client tab. Here we need to paste that one. This is the username. And that's it. Scroll down. Select the expire refresh token. And that's it. Click on save. Now we are going to get the consumer key and secret. Go to the settings tab. Scroll down. open OAuth settings. Here we can get the consumer key and secret. Click on this one and get your consumer key and secret, where we can place that consumer key and secret in the client ID and secret in the configuration. Now we need to get our the domain URL. In click and search for the domain. Here we can get the my domain. Here we can copy this custom my domain URL. Copy this one. Now we can go back to the studio configuration and we can place the consumer key, secret, my domain URLs in the configuration. Now we are going to configure the Einstein AI. Open Einstein AI. Here we need to place the consumer key and secret. Here in the place of Salesforce org, in the placeholders, here we need to place our the domain URL. This is my domain URL. And we need to place the client ID and secrets. After that, click on test connection. Here you got the test connection successful. Now we are going to use this Einstein AI in our MuleSoft. Here we can see these are the connectors provided by the Einstein AI. I'm going to explain each connector what it is doing. Here we are getting the agent defined prompt template. Means we can define our prompt how it should be like this. Means we can provide the instructions. Here we can see that the here I am going to give the template name. Means the AI is an MuleSoft AI assistant. Now I am going to provide the instructions. So based on the instructions, it will provide the response to the user. Here I am providing the hello, where should we begin? And it is used to understand the about integrations and APIs, and it should provide the clear answers to the user by using simple English and give the step-by-step applications. And we are going to provide this from the postman. The payload is prompt. Now run this application. It is in running. Now we can go to the postman agent prompt template. Here I am going to provide the template as what is marketing cloud. Here I am asking about the marketing cloud. Let us see it is deployed or not. It is still running. Yeah, it is deployed successfully. Now we are going to trigger this URL. See here, we are getting the data response in this clear explanation. So it is let us understand by us what is marketing solo. So in the instructions we provide that we need the clear explanation with simple English and we provide this step by step. So here we can see it is explaining the steps 1 email marketing, social media management. So this is how the agent defined prompt template works. Now we are going to see the chart answer prompt. It is like a simple text. Means we can ask the in simple text what is MuleSoft. So it will give the response as the plain text. Let us see how it works. Chart answer prompt. What fields are available in account object? So I'm trying to get the fields that are available in the account object in Salesforce. Here we can see it is providing the account name, industry, and account type. So these are the fields provided by the account object. Now we are going to see how the chart generate from messages. Means it will respond based on the user. Means if the user is salesperson, so it response will be given based on the sales. If it is in service team, it will give the response based on the team. The sales and services are in Salesforce, as you know that. Now we are going to check this one, chart generate from messages. So here we are providing the role as the user. If we so based on the user, it will provide the response to the user. It will provide the system administrator. So based on the roles, it can provide the response as like that. Now we can test it. See here it is giving the clear explanation role. It is a assistant. So it will provide that one. Here it is getting the content, how to connect Salesforce to Mule. It is giving clear step by step. This is how we can work on it. Now we need to work on it, embedding ad hoc file query. Here what happening means, embedding means it will convert our text into numeric format. So embedding ad hoc file query means it reads the data from the file. So in coming to variable, here I am storing the prompt that user sends. So payload or prompt. Now in the read, it is reading the file from my local. So that the file contains mails of question and answer. Let us I'm going to show. So this is my file. Now embedding ad hoc file query means we are getting the prompt from the variable that previously we stored and getting the input stream means payload. Payload means it is getting the data from the read file. Here we are going to select the file type as PDF and paragraph. Now we are going to test this one. Embedding ad hoc. Here I am giving the prompt about I need to know about the system API. So see here we are getting the result as in vectors means binary format, and we are getting the what is system API, it is API like connectivity. So this data is coming from the our read file. So this is how we are going to read the data from the read file and embed into the vectors. Now we are going to say embedding generate from the file means we are just getting the data from the file and it is going to generate the embedding. Click on the embedding generate file. See here. Here we are providing the path, file path. Yeah, we can work on the two ways. If we want to provide the file from the prompt, we can provide here, or else like here I'm providing the file from the here we can see I'm providing the file from the postman, or else we can use the read connector and we can get the file from the local also. Both ways we can work on it. That here I am working on this one. So whatever the data is provided in this file, that data is converted to the vectors array of arrays. Here we can see all the data. This is how embedding generate from the file. Now we are going to see embedding generate from the text. So if you provide any plain text, that text will be converted to the vector. We can see how it works. Here embedding generate the text. Here I am asking about the what is Einstein AI. So the answer will be converted into the vector. Here we can see that one. We're coming to RAG ad hoc load document means it will extract the data from the read file. Here we can see we are storing the prompt. So based on same as previously we have done for the embedding, here also we are getting the data from the read file. Here what it does means in previously embedding means it converts response into the vectors means binary format. Here it is just extracting the data from the read file and give us the response. Here we are providing the read file ragalog. Let's see how it works. Ragalog. We need to give exact text from the PDF about MuleSoft security features. So we are going to get the MuleSoft security features exact what is there in the PDF. So we need to give the like this clear prompt so it will can easy to extract the data. See here, we are getting the exact response. MuleSoft provides multiple securities. Let us see what is there in the read file. See here this is the file that I uploaded. Security features in MuleSoft. It provides MuleSoft provided multiple security mechanism. So that is what we are getting here. So this is how the RAG ad hoc will work. Now let's going to work on tools use AI service. Tools use AI service means, for example, we have some endpoints like URLs like REST APIs. So we can get the response from the those REST APIs. So same as like previously we have done embedding and ad hoc. We are storing the prompt and getting the read data from the file. Here we are need to provide that URL in our files. So here I'm getting in SRC main resource, I'm just created the tools-config.json file. Here I'm providing the full description and URL how it works. Execute get request action, it is an action. Here I'm providing the URL with the endpoint, and what is the name means what the URL will work will get means it will show the accounts, and the method is get, and if you want to give the headers we can give, and query means these are the queries it will work. Means if you want to get all accounts, you can provide the prompt as give me all accounts. If you want to show all accounts from CRM, if you provide this prompt, it will give. So this is how it will work. And we need to configure these tools configure read file as this way. I'm going to use these tools USA service. Previously, we are getting the prompt from the variable and getting the payload from the read. Now we can see how it works. See here I'm sending the prompt like show all accounts from the CRM. So it is showing the all employee accounts picture from the CRM ones. Tiger Nixon, about their salary, age, their like this. So this is how we are going to work on this tools use share service. And that's it. I hope you guys understand very well. If anyone need document, just please comment us. We can provide the document in the description. We can provide the document.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Please do comment for document. Thank you.